Question 5 gets interesting now because we've got to go backwards. And this is where the menu, this distribution menu is really useful again. We're going to our Poisson and we've got a mean of 8. We don't know what number to put in here. So, I mean, you could put 0, you could put anything you like to begin with just to get the table up like that. And what we want this probability here to be 0.3134. So if you put that in, it gives you something close to it. And I'd write this down. The probability that x is less than or equal to 7 equals 0.453. It often does that. It just rounds it up 1. So now that's too much. So let's go down 1 and change that to a 6. And the probability that x is less than or equal to 6 is equal to 0.3133. So look, that's the one they were aiming for, isn't it? So I think this one here, a is equal to 6. So the second one, it wants less than or equal to, no it doesn't, it wants greater than. No it does, sorry I was reading the wrong one. Less than or equal to b is equal to 0.7166. So let's go back to that calculator again, and we're still in our less thans, so let's put 0.7166. And again, it's got it slightly wrong again. No, it hasn't. It's got it exactly right that time. S less than or equal to 9 is 0.7166. So B is equal to 9. I've been playing about with these, and sometimes they get them right and sometimes they're one out. So you always have to change and look around. Now, this one does say less than C is equal to 0.0996. So let's put the 996, 0.0996 in there. And that tells me that the probability that x is less than or equal to 4 is the one we want, 0.0996. But that's less than or equal to 4. And so we want less than, so we'd have to go 1 up from it. So that gives me C as 5. Just think that through a minute. So the probability that x is less than 5, of course, is the same as less than or equal to 4. And they all take a bit of thinking. Don't just jump. Last one we've got. The probability that x is greater than d is equal to 0.8088. 8088. Right. So again, this time I need to change my tail. So my tail is a greater than tail. Just leave that as it is there. And the value I want here is 0.8088. And it's got it wrong again. It's got the wrong one there. It's got 9033 there. So we've gone too much. So let's try that one there. That's the one they're aiming for, isn't it? So let's write that down. The probability that x is greater than or equal to 6 is equal to 0.8087. So that is the probability that x is greater than 5 is equal to 0.8087. Greater than 5 is 6 or more. These two things are the same. So I've got D is equal to 5. So a bit more thinking in that one there, but they are the answers I've got. 6955.